In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at my daily desk setup that I use for productivity and efficiency. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully everyone is safe out there. A huge shout out to Hinomi for actually sponsoring this video and sending out the desk and chair that I'm using currently. If you guys don't know already, I have used their products in the past and I am definitely a fan of them. And they actually sent something new over. This is the Hinomi S1 standing desk right here. I've been using it for a couple weeks now. It's definitely been a game changer for me, and I feel like for a lot of you, it's going to be a game changer as well. Now before I start this video, if you guys would like to pick up any of the products seen in this video, I'll leave a link in the description down below. Starting off with this desk price, this retails for $449. This comes in a bunch of different shapes and sizes from small to extra large, and of course it comes in multiple different colors from black, gray, white, and we also have some wood grain colors on there as well. Alright guys, so let's get into the features of this desk. Now, the reason why this is a game changer is because a lot of the time with the desk that I had in the past, I was looking down on my computer unless I was sitting all the way back. I didn't get to really enjoy my full posture or a healthy posture with my old desk that I had. So this is definitely a game changer right here. So obviously this is a standing desk, hence it can rise and it can lower, of course. At its highest point, I'm actually 6'4" and it's leveled with me, so I can still look at my computer and I'm not looking down. So for anybody out there that's a little bit taller, don't worry about hunching over or looking down. You should be good for the majority of people out there. Now, as far as assembly goes, we get two different boxes upon receiving our desk. The first one is going to be the legs. The second one is going to be the desk topper. And overall, it was a pretty easy process. It took me about 45 minutes to an hour to complete the desk setup. I would definitely recommend two people work on this project together because some of the parts are pretty heavy. But getting into the features on this desk, the first one that I want to take a look at is of course our advanced control system. We have a bunch of different buttons. We have an electronic display that we see right here. What's going on right here? So the first one is our digital display, and obviously this one is going to show you the height that your desk is at. Of course, the plus and minus buttons are self-explanatory. Plus is to raise it, minus is to lower the desk. And we have 5 more buttons. The first one is 1 through 4, and the last one is M. Now 1 through 4 is actually going to be presets, so you can actually have up to 4 presets on this desk. For example, if I want a desk at a certain height, I'm going to hold M right there, and then it's going to ask me to press either 1 through 4, and if I want 1 to be that preset, I click on 1. If I want 2 to be that preset, I click on 2, and it's actually going to go to that desk height every time I press that button. So for my standing mode, I actually have it set to 1, and for my sitting mode, I have set to 2. So when I want to stand up, I press 1, the desk raises. When I want to sit down, I press 2, the desk lowers to the height that I feel most comfortable at. So that's probably one of the coolest features on here. A lot of standing desks don't have that. Cool that we have those presets though. Really awesome to see. Next thing, this desk actually gets up pretty high. Even for someone like me, I'm 6'4". Standing up, I am level with the desk looking at my computer screen, and I don't have anything like a raised monitor or whatever. I just have a regular old laptop and it's leveled with me. I'm not looking down or anything like that. It's a very healthy position and very, very good for your posture. It's definitely helped me out in the long run with sitting and with standing. Next feature is going to be our anti-collision system. Now, if you have a bunch of little kids running around in your house and you want them protected from being crushed by this desk, this is definitely going to be the desk to get. Also, if you have anything else that may be a little bit taller, like a dog or whatever, or you may be under the desk and someone's pressing it, this is actually going to stop once it senses an obstacle under the desk. So it's a very, very safe desk in terms of that. And last but not least, we have a powerful dual motor system on here. So this desk can actually lift, in theory, 264 pounds. I have my brother sitting right here. He's about 240 pounds, and it's lifting him up just fine. No effort. It's not shaking or anything either. So this is a really, really strong desk with very, very strong dual motors. Yeah, this desk is a super healthy alternative to regular old desk out there. You can burn calories while standing up. You're going to have better posture because you can set this desk to whatever height that you want. And if you just want to stretch, you can just set your desk to stand up and do your work while you're standing up, of course. Bunch of different ways to feel comfortable with this desk. Now, as I said before, the Hinomi X1 is behind me. This is a chair that I've been using for more than 6 months, and I've really enjoyed this chair. For someone that doesn't have the best posture in the world, this has actually fixed a lot of my posture issues. I am now looking up more so when I walk, and I'm not looking down. I'm also not looking down at my computer for hours, which is something that is very bad, especially when we see the evolution of the last 30 years of people using computers for work every single day. Even for the people out there that are gamers, this may be good for you if you're a gamer, but this chair and desk combo is really good, and we're going to talk about why right now. First and foremost, you can raise the headrest to a comfortable height, so I'm not looking down, and it actually supports my head. The next feature was the torso of this chair. We can actually raise the torso of this chair to 4 different levels, and it clicks in place. I really do like it, so it's nice to see that for people with longer torsos, this is going to be comfortable for them. So I've really enjoyed that so far, as well as the armrest positions as well. You can push the armrest back, you can push the armrest forward. You can also customize the armrest in a bunch of different ways to make it the most comfortable for you. We can also recline, which is something that I've been doing a lot lately. So if you want to take a break, you can actually recline with this chair. And we have a kick out stand right there, or a footrest or leg rest that you can put your legs on and just take a little nap, or maybe take a little rest and chill out for a second from editing or doing long hours of work. So I really do like this chair. Obviously, in tandem, these devices are going to work wonders when it comes to your posture, and even for some people's health as well if they need to stand up more, which I definitely do. But yeah, guys, if you want to check out any of these devices, I'll leave a link in the description down below. Again, huge shout out to Hinomi for sponsoring today's video. I am in love with this desk. I absolutely love this desk, and I could not recommend it more. Also, the X1 has helped me a lot in my personal and work life as well. So again, really appreciate you, Hinomi. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. Hopefully you guys have a great rest of your day. This has been Safon from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.